Hey guys, we've got the last segment for this chapter, tangents, secants, and chords. Again, we've looked at this before because I guess there's a lot of theorems, but then when you really try to merge some of them together, it's going off the same principle. So what we saw before is that that entire secant there, A, times the extension B is equal to this tangent C squared. Okay, so I've got a couple of examples on the right hand side that I've drawn up that we're going to use to solve. Some of them just to revert back to angles, and then just one on lengths. So let's move on to that. And what we have here is this. So let's work with the top and look at the angles. And we can see that this is 45, this is 50, so this angle here should, I guess, add up to 180. So 50 plus 45 is equal to 95. Therefore, if we call this, say, W is going to equal 85 degrees. Okay, obviously this length here, or the angle Y, you could say that it is the addition of these two put together. Okay, so therefore Y should equal 95. We think about exterior angles to a triangle. Okay, so looking at our alternate segment theorem, we can also say that 50, this angle here is going to be the same as that angle there. So x is equal to 50. So we'll have 50 degrees there. And therefore we can work out what z is by working what this is first. Let's call this u. So if 95 is y plus 50 is equal to 145 degrees, then u should equal 35 degrees. Okay, and then z plus 35 plus 50 should equal 180. Therefore, z will equal 95 degrees. Okay, so now we're going to look at the green diagram here and looking at side length. I'm going to first focus on these two. Okay, so we've got two chords there, and we can say that 8 times 5.5 is equal to 11 times b, so 11b. There we go. And I'm going to get the calculator. And 8 times 5.5 is 44. So that means B is equal to 4. Okay, so that is equal to 4. Now what we have is we can work out that length because we already know what this entire length is. Okay, so our next part will be this entire length. 11 plus 4 plus 1 is 15, 16. So 16 times 1 is equal to 6 plus a times a. Okay, so if we expand it, 6a plus a squared is equal to 16. We have a squared plus 6a minus 16 is equal to 0. And factors of 16, negative 16 that add up to 6 is going to be positive 8 and minus 2. So what we'll have is, in brackets, we'll have a plus 8 and a minus 2 is equal to 0. So the solutions, if we apply the null factor law, is equal to minus 8 or positive 2. Obviously a length cannot be negative, so we're going to cancel out that, and we're making 2 as our answer. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. So guys, hopefully that helps you with those examples. Obviously we can see that we're combining quite a bit of things, not only just basic algebra or linear equations, but we're moving into quadratics as well, into geometry and measurement. So let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.